Food price increases in China have been very dramatic this year. According to the Chinese National Bureau of Statistics, food prices rose by over 11% year over year. In that same time period, the price of pork rose by over 50% and vegetables by over 6%. It's also important to treat any information released by the CCP with a healthy dose of skepticism. They have been reported, after all, by official government agencies in a country that is tightly controlled by a single party, and one that recently launched Operation Empty Plate to try and reduce food waste. In addition, the prices quoted are for cash payments in large grocery stores. Today, however, many Chinese citizens have abandoned cash altogether in favor of digital currencies. This is why many U.S. intelligence officials are worried that China could end up dominating the world of digital currency. Food prices in these currencies are not measured by official statistics bodies and make up an increasingly large proportion of household spending. Nonetheless, it does seem that China is caught in the middle of a perfect storm when it comes to food prices. The pandemic has increased the cost of food production and distribution. Many workers have experienced difficulties with finding somewhere to work, which has resulted in a massive labor shortage. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it informative, please consider giving the channel a subscribe.